In this video, I will show you how to create AfterPay account for business. So simply visit afterpay.com and now here you have to click on business. Now click on get started. So when you click here, you will directly move to next page. So simply type your email here. After that, click on next. So here you have to enter your first name, last name, select your country, select your business category, and here type your number. After that, online only, in store only, select your option. So here type your business name, type your website. So after that, here you have to select your enhancement platform. Like I have selected Shopify. So here you have to add total annual sales. Now click on next. So here you have to select your country, business type. Here you have to enter your business legal name, and here you have to employer identification number. After that, here you have to add the address. Now click on next. So now when you move here, simply you can also add further categories here. So now after that, click on next. Now you have to upload your official government ID and your business document in order to create a afterpay account for business.